Research poll released today shows 6 of 10 Americans say they would definitely or probably get the COVID vaccine if it was available to them today. That number is far lower for communities of color, especially for Black Americans. Our Kirsten Mitchell taking a closer look at how the Fresno County COVID-19 Equity Project is working to build trust in the vaccine.
What would you say to someone who is skeptical about taking this vaccine?
You know, I understand them. It is a lot. The vaccine was developed at a very rapid pace, but it was developed in a very safe manner as well.
Skepticism over the COVID-19 vaccine has deep roots in communities of color, already disproportionately impacted by the virus.
What we've appreciated about the federal and the state allocation requirements are it has an equity lens, and that means people of color are really prioritized within each and every framework, whether it's phase 1, tier 1, or tier 2, or phase 2.
But it will only work if people get it. The health department is training community health workers on the vaccine so they in turn can spread the information to their own community, building trust. Shantae Davies-Balch is part of the project as the director of the African American COVID-19 Coalition.
We know that we have historical data actually to back up the fear and the concern. And so how are we structured right now in 2020 to be able to respond?
She's referring to the Tuskegee syphilis experiment, a 40-year experiment in which the government misled Black men for a study about untreated syphilis, then withheld information about treatment when it was found.
It's not far removed. Some folks still have grandparents that actually lived through that. And great-grandparents. So it's not something that happened, 100 years ago. It's something that's very much real, and it's still breeding mistrust.
Mistrust, Shantae hopes, can be rebuilt, describing the Equity Project as healthcare infrastructure for the future.
And we are moving to a position where we say we're going to work with the community versus doing something to the community.
It's really about relationships and trust is what it comes down to.
Kirsten Mitchell, KSEE 24, local news.